Hi guys, welcome to my information marketing class. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make a passive income from selling of information online. Now, before we get started, what is information marketing? Information marketing deals with selling of valuable information for people who are in need of the information. Selling of a valuable information to the people who are in need of your information. Most times, when you are to sell a particular information, you need to seek or look for people who are in need of this information, and this set of people will be willing to pay any amount for the information you are providing for them. So that's why we call it information marketing. And in this course, I've packed everything that you need from A to Z to be a successful information marketer. To be a successful information marketer, I've packed everything from A to Z. So that's why I call it the biggest way to make money online. The biggest way to make money online. You can make a tons of money selling information online. So, but in this tutorial, we are going to be concentrating on these following topics. We are going to be concentrating on these following topics. So, we are going to be concentrating on how you are going to be making money selling ebook online. I are going to be making money selling ebooks online. That is, I'm going to be teaching you how you can start to make your passive money from selling ebook. Now let us start. These are what this topic is going to entail. So I'm going to start from niche research. Niche research. You don't just go out there and continue to write ebooks. No. You need to start on making your research on the topics or meeting people's solution. That's why you said niche research is very, very important and crucial. What are those things that people are in need? What are those things that you need people want to buy? That's what we call niche research. And in this course, I'm going to be showing you how you are going to make a better niche research. How you are going to do a better niche research. And the second one is spying on competitors. Spying on your other competitors. How you are going to spy on other competitors to frame your work based on their own experience. You don't need to stress yourself on how creating new things. You could just need to frame your work based on what you have seen from them, and you're going to rebrand it. Then I'm going to be teaching us account setup, account creation. That is, I'm going to start from the creation of the Gmail to the process of withdrawing your earnings. I'm going to teach us from A to Z how we are going to create that. And the next one is product creation. Product creation. I'm going to be showing us here how you can get your materials you need in creating your ebooks. I will even show us how you can get your ebook for free, that you don't need to write at all. So I'm going to be showing us everything. And the next one is rebranding, branding your product. Branding your product. Under this branding your product, I'll be showing us how you have to design your ebook covers so that it will make it unique, even if it is the one that you want. You are not the one that write it. How you are going to rebrand it so that it will look professional and unique. This is what I'm going to be teaching you here. And then how to start. The major process or the major aim of going into information marketing is to make money. So how to start selling, I will explain to us how you are going to be selling, the platform you are going to be selling to, and how you are going to be selling to a lot of people. I'm going to explain everything. And the promotion, you need promotion in order to generate traffic to you, to your product, and in order to make sales. So, and the next one, which is going to end it up, is upselling. Upselling means how you can get a lot of sales, how you can continue to make a tons of sales from the selling of your ebooks. So getting this course, you have get a valuable things that will make you, that will makes you money every day, day by day. Even after writing your ebook, you just need to sit down and continue to expect sales. So this is the best way to make money online, as I've said. So, and we are going to go into the course now, one after the other. We are going to go get into the course.